Okay, let's take a look at problem 3, graphing an absolute value inequality. It says, what is the graph of 1 minus y less than absolute value of x plus 2? Well, first of all, I need to make sure that I have y on one side. So I need it to be in y-intercept form. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And then I'm going to divide by -1, and my inequality will flip. And that gives me the negative absolute value of x plus 2 plus 1. And so when I graph it, I can use my calculator to graph it. So I'm going to go to my free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com. And I'm going to say y is less than negative. The absolute value sign is right beside the bracket sign. I don't want to use that. It's right beside, so it's going to be shift, bracket, and then that is x plus 2, close my absolute value, plus 1. So moved over 1, or up 1, excuse me. Okay, and so there's my graph. And as you can see, x is greater than, so it's everything above. And it's negative, so it's flipped upside down. Okay, so now let's look at guided 3. I'm going to solve it first for y. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get y is equal to 2 absolute value x minus 1 plus 4. And it's actually not equal to, it is greater than or equal to. So I just solved it. And I get x is greater than or equal to 2 absolute value x minus 1 plus 4. Okay, so we can graph it. It's going to be greater than. It's going to be equal to, so my lines are going to be solid this time. I'm going to use my free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com. So that's going to be greater than, then hit the equal sign. There it comes up, and then I have, sorry, wrong one, 2 times the absolute value. So 2 times the absolute value of x minus 1 plus 4, I believe it was. Yep, plus 4. Alright, so there's my graph. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. And there's what it looks like, solid, greater than. And I hope that this